STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art and Maths.
So STEAM Week celebrates the passing of time since British Science Week began 30 years ago, as well as looking for what the future may hold for us.
And it's a way of linking all the subjects through in a cross-curricular way.
There are examples of time everywhere, and it helps us in our everyday lives, and that's why it makes it such an exciting topic for this year's British Science Week.
Yeah, you knew. Fire. What these guys did, which was really impressive, is they created a tornado. So they spun the bottle, just roll it so gently. You don't need to put much weight into it. It's just a fun little thing to do to test your perception of time. I always find it quite interesting.
Time was British Science Week's theme, and it's very open. It's ways to be interpreted in any way that the children want to do or we needed to. So when the science professors workshop were in, we were looking at how quickly can they make reactions work, how quickly can they empty water bottles.
3, 2, 1, go. 5.37 seconds. Come and take a seat up here.
How does gravity affect the planets and the time it takes the planets to orbit?
And that replicates the orbit of a planet around the sun.
There were a few subjects like the heart dissections that didn't strictly link to the theme of time, but embedded into the children's learning of the heart that they did last half term, and we saved it to have the wow moment this week during STEAM Week for them to actually see the real hearts.
Very good. So
Pupils have all been massively engaged in this week. They have all taken it on board and they've embraced the learning that they've been doing, and it's been amazing to see them taking on those challenges. Certainly within the science curriculum, I've extended them up into some of the senior school investigations that they'll be looking at when they move over and move on out of the prep school. And then other departments, we've used it as an opportunity to extend their learning, extend their skills, and just embed some of the practical aspects that we want to see across all the subjects. But here at Berkhamsted, we embed it very much into the practical and the skills side of things. The knowledge is something they can pick up off devices and off the internet quite easily, and we want to make sure that when they move forward out of the prep school, they've got really good solid skills and can do things, so when they need that deeper knowledge for GCSEs and A-levels, they've got the skills to manipulate to be able to make everything work.